Are you ready to rock your hydroponic garden with the best plants around? Well, put on your funky gardening gloves because we've got the top 10 plants that are sure to thrive in your hydroponic system. From leafy greens to fruity delights, we've got it all. So get ready to add some pizzazz to your produce and let's get growing. 1. Lettuce, a popular and easy-to-grow plant that thrives in hydroponic systems. 2. Herbs, basil, mint, and parsley are herbs that grow well in hydroponics. 3. Spinach, a leafy green that is high in nutrients and easy to grow in hydroponic systems. 4. Swiss chard, a colorful leafy green that is packed with nutrients and thrives in hydroponic systems. 5. Tomatoes, a popular fruit that can be grown in hydroponic systems and produces a high yield. 6. Peppers, sweet or spicy, peppers are a great addition to hydroponic gardens. 7. Cucumbers, a vining plant that grows well in hydroponics and produces a high yield. 8. Strawberries, a sweet and juicy fruit that can be grown in hydroponic systems and produces a high yield. 9. Beans, a legume that grows well in hydroponic systems and produces a high yield. 10. Microgreens, tiny sprouts that are packed with nutrients and can be grown in hydroponic systems for a quick harvest. And there you have it, folks, the top 10 plants for your hydroponic garden. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these plants are sure to give you the best yield and the most delicious produce around. From lettuce to strawberries, peppers to microgreens, you can't go wrong with these awesome picks. So get growing, and don't forget to have some fun along the way.